All right, so if you want an extra cool thing to do for Easter, you can make these bunnies just like that. And she's going to show us how to do it. Here she goes. She first puts it out in a big square, folds it in half.
Except for my things are not really.
They're not. Okay, we're going to use this one. She doesn't want it. That was. She's
These
a
are like
perfectionist.
so old.
She's a perfectionist. Just watch what she's doing. We're not even going to talk about it. We're just going to do it. Look how fast she does it. She's like a genius. There it is, a bunny. You need a paper clip, I guess, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so how many we got?
I mean 7.
Wow, look at that. It's bunny time.
How many is that? 6, 7?
Is it over? Bam, zitty, bam. This is going to be record time for this one. And that's a really straight one, too. This is probably going to be the best one you made so far. Perfection, perfection. Flips it over, boom, twist it. Get the bunny face, get the bunny ears. Put your paper clip on, and that works perfect, that paper clip. Where'd you get those good paper clips from? There they are, look at them.
So cute.
It's like an army of freaking bunnies. There they are, waiting for Easter.